Picture this: a tale of love, trust, deceit, and the unexpected consequences of secret planning. Our story begins with a hard-working man, struggling to keep his family afloat amidst financial hardships. His wife, a seemingly supportive partner, carries a concealed agenda that slowly unravels, leading to an unexpected twist. Unbeknownst to her husband, the wife covertly channels her earnings into a secret nest egg, building a house and investing in businesses. As they move into a new home, the husband's financial burdens intensify, forcing him to borrow money and unknowingly sink further into debt. One fateful night, suspicion gnaws at the husband. A clandestine investigation of his wife's phone unveils the shocking truth. His wife owns the house he's been struggling to pay rent for. The discovery of her secret fortune, coupled with evidence of her hidden business ventures, leaves him reeling. The confrontation that follows is as fiery as it is heartbreaking. Accusations fly, trust shatters, and their marriage crumbles under the weight of the wife's betrayal. But the story doesn't end there. Oh no, it's the aftermath that carries the real sting in the tale. The wife, who had meticulously planned for life after divorce, finds herself facing an ironic twist of fate. Her secret planning, instead of securing her future, had directly led to the demise of her marriage. This tale serves as a stark reminder that planning for failure can sometimes become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Instead of focusing on an exit strategy, it urges the importance of investing in the foundations of love, understanding, and communication within a marriage. So as we wrap up this cautionary tale, let's bear in mind the real moral of the story. The energy spent planning for an exit could be better used building a bridge for success. And for more thought-provoking stories, don't forget to subscribe to the Afro-Asia blog channel and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the many nuances of life.